Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I made this wonderful, delicious, easy recipe. Yes, crock-pot chicken is perfect for these cold weather days that we've been getting. So if you're interested in learning this recipe, continue watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, and yeah, let's go. So here are all the ingredients that I will be using today in this video. I will also leave everything down below in the description box, all of the measurements, so do not worry. And yes, you can find all of these items in your local grocery store. So my chicken is clean. I clean my chicken in vinegar and lemon juice. So I added the chicken into the crock pot. I use chicken legs and chicken thighs, both skinless. You're going to add your onions and your garlic. Add as much onions and garlic as you would like. Then I'm going to add all of my seasonings, and then I will be pouring in 2.5 cups of, well, I guess you could call it chicken stock, because I put the chicken bouillon and I just stir in some water and I pour it in. So if you don't have the chicken bouillon, you can buy chicken stock, beef stock, whatever you want to use, and just pour it in, and then mix up all of your ingredients. Put the top on your crock pot and let it cook for a good 8 hours on low, and at the end you will be very happy with what you get. Okay, so guys, after about 3 hours, I did go back and check on my food, stirred it up, and I'm telling you guys, my house smelled so good. The recipe is so easy to follow, and I promise you guys, you're gonna love it. Alright guys, it is 7 hours later. I started at like 11 something. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's about 8 hours later. And this is our finishing touch. Let me get a spoon. Here's our finish. See? The meat is all fell off the bone. The potatoes are ready. And this is the dish. Let me plate it and I'll be right back. Alright guys, and this is the final touch. You see the potatoes. There's some onions on this plate. Some white Uncle Ben's rice and cornbread. Well, sorry guys. And corn muffins. This is the little person's plate. Guys, I hope you make this dish. If you do, please comment down below. Let me know how you like the dish. It is so good. Oh my god, your house is gonna smell like heaven, okay? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, you already know, be safe.